It's a well-documented fact that Ghana makes the best jollof in all of Africa. Now, these are not my words. Listen, Sister Debbie.
Ghana Jollof, yummy. Ghana Jollof, yummy. Ghana Jollof, yummy. Nigerian Jollof, yeah, it tastes funny.
Soft life. Hi. We're living a soft life.
The Jollof Festival is hosted once a year in Accra, Ghana. This time round, we're told to come around 11 a.m. but because we are Africans, we showed up around 4 p.m. and we met a lot of people. A whole festival just for rice, and there were people scattered everywhere. We had some drinkables, some eatables, and so many people to meet. Venue was ultra loud because of all the music, and there was a cooking competition going on, so it was really difficult to record all the sounds for you guys to hear, but it was such a great event. There were so many different vendors and so many different content creators. Also, what is Norki doing? Say hey to some of your favorite content creators. Everyone was there. It was such a great time. It's usually a very good place, to meet people, and this was a free event. So many different restaurants were present. Some I'd heard of, some I'd seen on social media, some I'd never even seen before, and they all were there presenting your goods and your services. It was such a great time. I got an opportunity to talk to some of the vendors about what they've been doing, how their businesses have been going, just the usual that we do on this channel. Unfortunately, it was way too loud with the music, so you can't hear anything, but I'm sure in due time one day I'll bring them here on this channel so we can inquire and see what it is that they've been up to. Now, one of my favorite vendors was this guy called Sergeant Pepper, who was selling pepper infused flavors, oils, like just crazy good stuff that he's doing. Check them out on Instagram. We had to try the jollof because that was why we came here, right? So we went to this store called Men's Cook. Now, they are a mobile catering service. They are very popular on the Ghana side of the internet. You can check them out. They are actually very famous for dancing while they're cooking. I guess that's their shtick. So we decided to try their store because there's only so much rice you can eat in one sitting. So we did get a packaged jollof with pork, and we spent the rest of the time eating this standing like a bunch of teenagers. It was really good. This cost about 40 Ghana cedis. I think it's about $7-8 equivalent. There was a lot of different flavors. I think they cook it a little differently like the usual. So we were able to eat some things and actually get acquainted with Men's Cook Jollof. It looked the part, taste the part, so I guess good job on their part. Now, if you ever come to Ghana, make sure you check out the Jollof Festival. It's a free festival. Like I said, you only have to purchase this. This will be a great time for you to try different Ghanaian foods, different Ghanaian drinks, and all that good stuff. Thumbs up this video if you have tried jollof in Ghana, or if you're Nigerian, thumbs up the video as well. We'll be fighting with you about who cooks the best to the end of the world. But for now, enjoy Ghana's Jollof Festival. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.